Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have the True Steel Premium Collection Booster Box. Now I'm pretty excited for this because it is very new. It has more than 4 packs. It has a foil card. It has a little figurine. And it also has a pin. Now I opened this up because I was very excited and couldn't wait. But anyway, let's get into this box. Well, we opened it up. Let's check it out. So it comes with a little foil card. It looks pretty nice, and I'll soon put that into my box. If you want to see it again, if you didn't see it before, you can see it now. Yes, it has a lot of detail. So, let's open up these packs. I'm going to start with this Darkness Ablaze. Alright, here we go. This pack. Also, if you're opening a booster boxes or any other cards, there's this card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. You put that in. Okay, and this is your rare card. Alright, let's check it out. Toxel, Skitty, Rowlet, Wishy Washy, Qfent, Fireball Energy, Diddyfan, Vibrant, Corvus, Terracine, and the final red card, Akelgor. Okay, it's your normal rep. Well, now we're getting into Sword and Shield. Pretty hard. Alright, here we go. Krabby. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Alright, that's alright. Krabby. Minikion. Galarian Ponyta. Cottony. Scorbunny. Dark Energy. Hitmonlee. Rare Candy. Lucky Egg. Lucky Egg again. And a normal Poltegeist. Alright. Let's get into the Sun and Moon team up. Alright. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Alright. Tentacool, Paris, Ponyard, Staryu, Honedge, Energy, Dangerous Drill, Alona Gravel, Omanti, Tentacool, and I see a holographic. Oh, Celebi and Venusaur team up. Oh, this is great. This is a really cool red card, guys. I can't believe I got this. Alright, that's one of our rares. And we continue the pack. Alright, that got me going. 2 packs without any rare, and I finally got a rare. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Grimer, Clink, Ducklet, Marie, Paris, Energy, Solrock, Kabu, Simisage, Orisan. Oh, Kenzie-Corch! Oh my god! Oh, Kenzie-Corch V! Guys, this is insane. I love this booster box. 2 in a row, baby. 2 in a row. A GX and a VMAX. Oh, yes, baby. Yes. Alright. You join right there. continue with a Sun and Moon Burning Shadows to see if we can get a third in a row. Ooh. Okay, open it up. Alright, we can start out with a Meowth. I'm very happy so far, guys. 2 in a row, 2 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, wait a minute. Didn't do it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Put it back. Just so you guys can learn. I'm going to do this throughout the entire video. Meowth, Riolu, Alono Grimer, Ladybug, Cutiefly, Fire Energy, Acerola, Wishful Bounty, Metapod, Magikarp, and a holographic Lucario. I mean, it's not like a VMAX or a GX, but it is a rare, so it gets a spot there. Alright, we have our final Evolutions pack. Let's check it out. Now, an Evolutions pack, let's see where we get. Oh, an Evolutions pack is actually a big deal for me because it's from the old Pokemon series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and that's a rare. Let's do this. Caterpie, Doduo, Pikachu, Machop, ooh, Mewtwo, Metapod, Trainer, Coughing, Growlithe, and a holographic Nidoro. So, this was a really good box since we got free trainer cards. Oh, and a few back in the day. But it is a holographic, so it does go with them. So we got a Nidorano holographic, a Centiskorch VMAX, a Celebi and Venusaur GX tag team up, and a Lucario holographic. Oh, and it came with Zamazenta holographic as well. So this was a really good pack. I actually liked it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you next time. See you guys. Bye.